So we've got some massive 35-inch tires on this Ranger Northstar. How did we do it? Well, we changed the overall stance of this machine with our Thumper Fab long travel. Not only did we make this wider, we offset the axle, allows us to run this much larger 35-inch tire, increases the capability, as you can see from the rock garden and the trails today, really turns this into a trail-capable rig. Not something you expect from your Northstar, but something that you can definitely accomplish now with a long travel and paired nicely with these adjustable Fox shocks. But with our Ranger long travel, not only does it replace the control arms, but we also replace the tie rods with a much beefier steel design with kryptonite joints. We also have a billet tie rod option, which is pretty cool. Adds a little bling to a Ranger. I'm digging it. We replace the brake lines, front and rear, so you get a longer brake line, no jinky extension, a complete brake line replacement, and a complete axle replacement with the option of the Cobra or the King Cobra for the toughest axle out there on the market for this.